Learning English phrases, understanding parrot fashion. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, parrot fashion. Understanding such phrases can enrich your English vocabulary and help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Parrot fashion refers to repeating something exactly as heard or learned, without understanding its meaning. The phrase draws a comparison to how a parrot mimics sounds. It often carries a slightly negative connotation, suggesting a lack of deep understanding or original thought. The phrase, parrot fashion, dates back to when parrots were popular for their ability to mimic human speech. This ability fascinated people, leading to the phrase's use to describe rote learning or repetition without comprehension. 1. Example 1. She learned the poem Parrot Fashion, without understanding its deeper meaning. 2. Example 2. During the presentation, he recited the statistics Parrot Fashion, but couldn't answer questions about them. 3. Example 3. Many students learn historical dates Parrot Fashion for exams. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to describe rote memorization. Other phrases with similar meanings include rote learning, learning by repetition rather than through understanding. By heart, memorizing something in such a way that you can say it from memory. Verbatim, repeating words exactly as they were originally said or written. Understanding these phrases can help you find different ways to express the concept of learning or repeating something without comprehension. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, parrot fashion, and how it's used in the English language. Remember, learning phrases like this can add color and depth to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.